Welcome to the channel where we fix, build, and test everything. Here we are rebuilding my son's PC. We have a ASUS Z790 Tough Gaming motherboard paired with the 13th gen i13-700K with DDR4 GSKULL 4000 megs. Also with the newest contender to the GPU market, we have the Intel Arc A770 GPU that will be installed. We chose to test the ARC card so we can give a personal feel and review to the newest GPU contender. The old equipment was the Z490 motherboard paired with the 10th gen i10-700K CPU and the NVIDIA RTX 3070 GPU, along with the NVM2 Samsung Evo SSD. Just have to make my way to my son's room so we can repair his gaming PC. We're just gonna probably do it on the floor just because I ain't feeling like bringing the PC downstairs. We will remove the glass cover so we can access all the electronics. Now we will unscrew and unplug the power cables from the GPU. The PCIe 16 slot has a clip at the bottom, so you need to press that in to detach it from the slot. To unscrew the motherboard, there are 9 screws in rows of 3. Disconnect the Wi-Fi 6 antennas from the back of the motherboard so they're not damaged when being removed, and so you can place it away for storage back in the original box. The air-cooled CPU cooler, unclip the fan, disconnect the radiator from the motherboard. installing the radiator to the new CPU, we will clean it up a bit. Now we will carefully remove the motherboard. Before removing the motherboard, just verify all cables are unattached from the motherboard. Looks like the only way to get the motherboard out is to remove two of the corner fans. When installing the new motherboard, don't forget to install the CPU cooler mounting brackets. Carefully install the CPU to the LGA 1700 socket. Then apply thermal paste. Be very careful installing the CPU because there are pins that could possibly get bent. Reinstall the CPU cooler's radiator and fan. Now it's time to install 2 sticks of RAM, 16 gigabytes. Look at your instructions so you install both DIMM slots in dual channel mode so you can optimize the performance of your PC. You will hear a clicking sound when the sticks of RAM are fully inserted in. I already installed the GPU to PCIe slot 16. All we have to do now is install the power cables. Use the motherboard installation manual to help you land all the cables that need to get plugged into the motherboard. Went to go get some small zip ties for the cable management so we don't have a bunch of spaghetti inside this PC. of the last things to do is put the panels on, the glass cover, and plug it into the wall in the TV. I just transferred over the SSD Samsung Evo to this motherboard. It had Windows 11 on it already, so the only thing I needed to do is install the Intel Arc driver and delete the NVIDIA driver and update Windows. While playing Fortnite, the frames per second maintain better than the RTX 3070, so the Intel Arc A770 is performing better on the Fortnite DX12 games. The older generation games that run on DX11 and older, Intel needs to optimize those games for those. Well, thank you for watching. There was an upgraded PC build you guys got to watch. Like I said, to enter for a chance to win a gaming PC or a laptop, gaming laptop, just like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching.